Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're a fan of cute shoes but don't want to deal with any discomfort, these square toe Mary Jane ballet flats by VOLEECE might just be the perfect fit for your everyday adventure. These are the perfect mix of classic and trendy, and the square toe gives them a modern, elevated look, very chic while still feeling timeless. What I really love is the crisscross Mary Jane straps. VOLEECE designed these to feel secure and supportive so your foot stays in place without rubbing or slipping. They're also super easy to slip on, which is perfect for busy mornings or long work days. Comfort wise, Valise really got it right. The flat sole feels soft yet supportive, making them great for standing, walking, or commuting. I can wear them for hours. These are extremely versatile as well. You can pair them with office pants, dresses, skirts, or casual jeans, and they instantly pull the look together. They look polished but still feel relaxed. So if you're looking for stylish, comfortable, and easy to wear flats, Valise Mary Jane Ballet flats are a great choice. They're practical, elegant, and perfect for everyday wear. Definitely a go-to shoe. And that's my point of view.